Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss how to use YouTube Analytics to improve your channel's performance. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, it's important to understand how your videos are doing. YouTube Analytics is a tool that can help you see which videos are working well and where you can improve. Here's a simple guide on how to use YouTube Analytics to boost your channel's performance. 1. Find YouTube Analytics. To access YouTube Analytics, follow these steps. Open YouTube and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio. In the left-hand menu, click on Analytics. Now you'll see different sections showing how your channel is performing. 2. Check your views and watch time. The first thing you'll notice is how many views your videos are getting. This shows how many people have clicked on and watched your video. Next, check your watch time. This tells you how long people are staying on your videos. The longer people watch, the better for your channel. What to do? If your views are low, try improving your video titles and thumbnails to attract more viewers. If people are clicking on your video but leaving quickly, try to make the first 10 to 15 seconds more interesting. 3. Understand your audience. Go to the Audience tab to see who is watching your videos. Here you can find details like age and gender. Are you reaching the right audience for your content? Top countries. Where are most of your viewers from? What to do? If you notice most of your viewers are from a specific country, consider creating content in their language or adding subtitles. Make sure your videos speak to the age group that is most interested in your content. Alright, let's dive into analyzing traffic sources. In the Reach tab, you can see where your views are coming from. Are people finding your videos through YouTube searches, suggested videos, or maybe even external websites? These are called traffic sources. Now, if you notice that many people are finding your videos through search, it might be a good idea to focus on using better keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. On the other hand, if your video is being suggested next to popular videos, that's awesome. Keep making similar content to capitalize on that momentum. Engagement, likes, comments, and shares. The engagement section shows how viewers interact with your videos. You can see how many likes, comments, and shares your videos get. You can also check your average view duration, which tells you how long people are watching your videos. What to do? Videos with more likes and comments usually perform better. Encourage viewers to like and comment. If people aren't watching the entire video, consider making shorter videos or getting to the main point faster. Monitor your subscribers. In the Overview tab, you'll see how many new subscribers your channel has gained or lost. This is an important number because more subscribers mean your content is reaching more people regularly. What to do? Look for patterns. Did you gain a lot of subscribers after posting a certain type of video? If yes, make more of that content. If you lost subscribers, review those videos to see what might have gone wrong. Improve based on analytics. Now that you know how to read YouTube Analytics, the next step is to use the information to improve. Regularly check your analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Experiment with different video lengths, styles, and topics, and use the data to make better videos. Final tips. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Pay attention to your most popular videos. These videos show you what your audience likes the most. Try different thumbnails and titles. Small changes can make a big difference in getting more views. By using YouTube Analytics, you can make smarter decisions, create better videos, and grow your channel faster.